Unlock the secret to captivating audiences and streamlining your video production with Nano Banana Ai. Today, we're diving deep into how Nano Banana Ai transforms your video creation process, from the initial spark of an idea to the final polished product. It all begins with your story. Nano Banana Ai's intuitive scriptwriting feature helps you craft compelling narratives. Simply input your core message or topic, and let the AI suggest engaging plot points, dialogue, and even different tones, all designed to resonate with your target audience. Once your script is locked, it's time for visualization. Nano Banana Ai empowers you to design your scenes effortlessly. Choose from a vast library of assets, dictate camera angles, and even experiment with different visual styles. The AI can even suggest complementary visuals and transitions based on your script, ensuring a cohesive and visually appealing flow. Imagine bringing your characters to life without complex software. Nano Banana Ai offers a range of customizable character models and animation styles. Play with expressions. Now, let's talk about bringing it all together. Nano Banana Ai's editing suite is designed for maximum efficiency. Drag and drop your scenes, synchronize audio and visuals with precision, and explore AI-powered editing tools that can automatically adjust pacing or even suggest background music that perfectly complements your mood. But creating a great video is only half the battle. Nano Banana Ai includes tools to help you optimize for engagement. Learn how to refine your content based on audience feedback and AI-driven insights, ensuring your videos not only look good but perform exceptionally well. Nano Banana Ai truly democratizes video creation, making professional-quality content accessible to everyone. Experience the future of storytelling. Try Nano Banana Ai today and unleash your creative potential.